Hey, beautiful people. Good morning. Just want to come on and give you a quick tip on the best way to combat cold and flu season, allergy season, sinus problems. It's the NAVAGE, okay? And so we're going to show you just how quick this is. This is part of my morning routine every morning, or at least I would say 3 times per week. And here is my NAVAGE system, okay? Very easy to use. Gonna snap on my nose piece. Open it up. I'm gonna grab 2 pods because I'm going to do both sides, but I'm gonna show you one, right? And here is a new pack of salt pods, but here's what the pods look like. Just very small. You're gonna take it and it's gonna pop in there. Before you put it in, you're gonna fill up your reservoir with water. I use bottled water. Fill it up to the line. There is a fill line that tells you just how far to fill up to. I don't know if you can see that, but there is a line there. I'm gonna take the pod, pop it in, close. Just that simple, under a minute. Now, we're just gonna go ahead and get started. Take your NAVAGE. On here, it gives you an indication of which way you're going. So the water is gonna go up this way and come, nope, the way that this is going, it's gonna go up this way and come out this way. If you want it to go the other way, depending upon where you're feeling your congestion, if you're gonna do both sides, then it won't matter. But now I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna go in this way and come out this way. Just that simple. I'm gonna take this, put it up to my nose, hold it, push the button. My suggestion is to take in a deep breath and just kind of hold it. So just like you would if you were swimming and you were underwater, so that you don't take in water. So a lot of people have a problem with this. They don't want to feel like they're drowning. I was one of them. Almost died with the neti pot. I'm not gonna lie. Bad experience. So I was more than concerned with trying this. I didn't want to do it. But once I've tried it and realized it's not that bad, and the benefits of the NAVAGE far outweigh the minute that it's going to take. Done. And okay, now you might not be able to see all of the floaties and junk in there. It doesn't take that long at all. The cleanup is simple. You're simply gonna untwist the reservoir, pour out the water. Give your reservoir a rinse. Snap it back on. Just that easy. Use my drip. But I'd rather have a drip than to be congested. So that's just how easy the NAVAGE system is. I am going to take my pod out. I opened it up. Take the old pod out. Fill it back up with water. Put another pod in. Turn the nose guard or the nose piece so that now the water is going to go in the opposite direction, and it's just that simple. So I encourage you to try the NAVAGE system. If you are leery about it, don't be. It's not that bad. If you suffer with sinusitis, bronchitis, allergies, flu, hay fever, colds, this is what you need. So the link is going to be down in the description. You can always pick this up from my Amazon storefront, along with the pods. Now the NAVAGE does come with some starter salt pods, and so you'll have enough to get yourself started, and then you can purchase additional ones again in my storefront. But you can also purchase the case. The case is not necessary. I purchased the case because I take my NAVAGE with me, so sometimes I'll take it to work if I'm running late and I know that I wanted NAVAGE that day. I'll take it, but purely optional. But this is what is the necessity. The necessity is the NAVAGE. So check my link in the description. Check my link down in the comments and pick yourself up one. Your sinuses, your nasal passage, it'll thank you. Have a good day.